Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. However it may seem, we are not anything at all. In the vow that is beyond the practices of our thought, we become a word that is beyond any strife. There are samaya that have no position. They are not the concern of those who associate with positions. Regarding the samaya that are uncontrived and are beyond strife, they are not the concern of those who strive for contrivances. We are one. This is the transmission of the perfection in our heart essence. The specific qualities of our forms, just as they are perfected in the intent of our uncorrupted heart essence. In intent, our wisdom is luminous in its perfection. The self-originating has no cause. It is the space of a circle. We are all perfected in a single heart essence. Our protections, vows, and samaya are naturally clean. We do not dwell on any separations or differences, but due to the specific quality of awareness that is beyond strife, the ideas that we protect are entirely empty. From the primordial, we do not leave our true nature behind. We are present without distraction, so our protecting is over. From the primordial, we have forever dwelt upon the holy. Our emotional problems and ideas have been joined from the primordial. In the experience of spontaneous realization, we are finished, so we do not need to protect anything. The experience of spontaneous realization is not to be left behind. This is the samaya of spontaneous realization. From Sky Space, the Great Tantra on the Bodhicitta. This is Chapter 23, teaching the specifics on the samaya that are not to be protected. We do not use our knowledge in our study. Now there is even more to be explained. We do not use the knowledge from our study, contemplation, and meditation to cleanse our self-originating awareness, but because our total perfection is clear, amazing things happen. The reality of the secret that is not spoken is pure. It is a concern in our use of language and for our validations.